mode of the grouped data. So you have to go through. So next new topic. So mode, already you know that mode is that value among the observation which occurs most frequently, that is the value of the observation having the maximum frequency. A mode is that value among the observation occurs most often. So a certain number appears more times, then it is that number itself is a mode. The value of the observation having the maximum frequency, so that is also a mode. So simply, see, in a school you conduct a test out of 20, so the maximum students got 12 or 13 marks. So 12 it is 12, therefore 12 is a mode. 12 is a mode since it is a most oftenly repeat. Okay, so mode equal to L plus the formula for mode. So grouped data, you have the class interval. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula for mode of grouped data. So in the 9th standards you have to study about mode, not a grouped data, it is ungrouped data. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the modal class, where L is the lower limit of the modal class. H is the size of the class interval. So size of the class interval or class size. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. So F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. So F2 frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. So this is the preceding F0 and the F2 is the succeeding the modal class. So one more time. So mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So where L is the lower limit of the modal class, H is the size of the class interval. So F1 is the frequency of the modal class, F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class, F2 frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. So you have to go through some applications, then you know that. So what is the mode, and you understood what is the preceding modal class, what is the succeeding modal class. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. Number of families. So a survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table of the numbers of family members in a household. So family size 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. So number of families. So 1 to 3 members you have 7. So 3 to 5 you have 8 families. 5 to 7 you have 2. So 7 to 9 you have 2. And 9 to 11 you have 1. So exactly the maximum frequency is here. The answer is almost here. 3 to 5, 8. So find the mode of the data. Here the modal class is 3 to 5. Here the modal class is 3 to 5. So lower limit of the modal class is equal to 3. The lower limit of the modal class is 3. So this is the lower limit. So this one is upper limit. So lower limit of the modal class is 3. So frequency F1 of the modal class. So frequency F1 of the modal class. So this is the modal class now. So this one is the modal class. So frequency of the modal class is 8. So that is F1. So next frequency F0. So frequency of the class preceding the modal class. So class preceding the modal class is this one. So frequency of that one is 7. So that is F0. So this is the modal class. So class preceding the modal class is this one. So frequency of the class preceding the modal class is 7. So answer is 7. So frequency F2 of the class succeeding the modal class. So this is the class succeeding the modal class and the frequency of that one is 2. So the answer is 2 here. So class size H. So class size, so 5 minus 3 you get 2. So h is equal to 5 minus upper limit minus lower limit. So class size h is equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. The formula for mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So the value of L you have 3. The value of L you have 3 and the F1 value is 8. So substitute F1 value is 8 and the F0 is 7. So F1 is 8, 2 into 8. Substitute as it is minus 7 minus 2 into class size is 2. So 3 plus 8 minus 7 you get 1. So 2 8 is a 16. Minus 7 minus 2 same sign, add. So minus 9. So into 2. So 3 plus 2 by 7. So 16 minus 9 you get 7. 2 by 7. So divide 2 by 7 you get 0.286. 0.286. The answer is 3.286. The answer is 3.286. So the answer is nearly in that class interval. So the answer is 3.286. Next problem. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. The following table shows the ages of patients admitted in the hospital during a year. So ages in years. So 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. So number of patients. So 5 to 15 ages, there are only 6 patients. So 15 to 25, there are 11 patients. So 25 to 35 years, 21 patients. So 35 to 45, 23. So this is the model class. So this is a model class since you have the maximum frequency. So 45 to 55 you have 14 and 55 to 65 you have 5. See here, find the mode and the mean. So we have to find both. So mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare the interpret the two measures of the central tendency. We have to compare the mode and the mean. So here the model class is 35 to 45 since you have the maximum frequency. So class size H, 45 minus 35 you get 10. The size of the class is 10, only 10. So you have 25 to 35 you have only 10 numbers. So 10. So lower limit of the model class it is 35. This is the lower limit 35. And the frequency F1 of the model class F1. So that is 23. And frequency F0 of the class preceding the model class it is 21. So since it is the class preceding the model class, so this is the model class, class preceding the model class, the frequency of that one is 21. And the class succeeding the model class it is 45 to 55 and the frequency of that one is 14. So 14, that one is 14. Therefore mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So value of L you have 35. So you know that value of L you have 35. So correct, 35 you have. So F1 23 minus 21 divided by 2 23, 21 minus 21 minus 14. So see here F1 F1, F0 F0 and minus F2 is extra. So into 10. So 35 plus 2. So 23 minus 21 you have 2. So 2 into 23 you get 46. So same sign minus 21 minus 14 add 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 1 3 into 10. So 35 plus you get 2 into 10 you get 20. 46 minus 35 11. So you divide 20 by 11 you get 1.81. So that is the answer, 36.81. So find the mean, choose any method. So the answer is 35.375. The answer is find the mean, answer 35.375. Homework, okay, this one is a homework. You have to do that homework. Mean. The maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.81. So the maximum number, so the definition of mode itself, it defines like that, the maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.81. So maximum number of patients are in the age 36.81. average age of the patients, when it is average means that is mean. So average age of the patients admitted in the hospital is 35.375. So average age of the patients almost same, both are same, but this is a maximum number, so this is the average. Okay, next. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime of 225 electrical components. First, lifetimes in hours. So in hours 0 to 20 hours it is only 10 electrical components. 20 to 40 you have 35, 40 to 60 you have 52, 60 to 80 you have 61, and 80 to 100 38, and 100 to 120 you have 29. So determine the modal lifetime of the component. So you have to find mode. So modal lifetime of the components. Homework. Answer you get 65.625. Okay, next. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. So find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. So this is a direct problem of mode. So you have the tabular column here. So expenditure in rupees, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000. So number of families you have for 100 to 1500 you have 24, 1500 to 2000 you have 40, 2000 to 2500 you have 33, 2500 to 3000 28, and here one. So the continuation of here 300, 3000 to 3530 you have 3500 to 4022, 4500 to 4000 to 4500 you have 16, 4500 to 5000 you have 7. Here the modal class is 40. So modal class is 40 since 1500 to 2000. So maximum frequency you have in the 40. So 1500 to 2000. Here the modal class is 1500 to 2000 since you have the maximum frequency 40. So the modal class is 1500 to 2000. The class size h equal to 2000 minus 1500. The class size is 2000 minus 1500, you get 500. So lower limit of the modal class is 1500. So this is the lower limit. So this one is the upper limit. So 1500. Frequency f1 of the modal class. The frequency f1 of the modal class is 40. See, frequency f1. So this is a frequency f1 of the modal class. So frequency of the preceding the modal class. Frequency of the class preceding the modal class, it is 24, and the frequency of class succeeding the modal class, that is 33. So next you have the formula mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h is a very important formula. So the value of L you have 1500, and f1 40, so f0 24, and f2 is 33, so h is 500. Substitute as it is. So 1500, so 40 minus 24 you get 16, so 2 into 40 you get 80, minus 24 minus 33, so same sign, add it up, you get minus 57, so into 500. So 1500 plus, so 500 into 16 you get 8000. So 500 into 16 you get 8000 divided by 23. So 8000 divided by 23 you get 347.83. 347.83. So add it up, you get 1847.83. So 1847.83. So this is the expenditure of the family. Okay, then student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table. So find the mode of the data. Find the mode of the data. The student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarize it is in the table. So find the mode of the data. So number of cars, you have the first column 0 to 10. So frequency 7, okay, 7 times. So 10 to 20 you have 14, 20 to 30 you have 13, and 30 to 40 you have 12, 40 to 50 you have 20, 50 to 60 you have 11, 60 to 70 you have 15, 70 to 80, 80. So this is a homework. Answer you got 44.71. So 44.71 in that column. So the answer you have 44.771. So the next, so you go through the median of the grouped data. So median of the grouped data. Let n equal to f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus so on up to fn. So you already know that. Let n equal to f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus so on up to fn. So that means the total number of observation, the n means the total number of observation is the sum of all frequencies, So first of all, find n by 2. So we have to divide it by 2. So that is the n by 2. And then the class in which n by 2 lies. So first you find n, then you find n by 2. So find n by 2 in which class n by 2 lies. So this class is known as median class. So in the last topic you find the model class. So in that you find the median class. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by f into h. CF, so that means cumulative frequency, into h. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by f into h. So where L is the lower limit of the median class, so n is the number of observation, means total number of frequency. So number of observation, CF, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding, so is a class preceding the median class. F, frequency of the median class. So last one, H, class size. So H is the class size. One you have extra is CF. So that is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So first you see the problem, then you understood the formula very well. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. So find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So following the distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean, mode of the data and compare them. So you have the tabular column like this. So monthly consumption in units. So 65 to 85. So number of consumers. So 4 consumers here. So 85 to 105 you have 5. 105 to 125 you have 13. So 125 to 145 you have 20. So 145 to 165 14. So 165 and 185 you have 8, and 185 to 205 is 4. So first homework, so you have to find mean and mode, because so you know that how to find mean and mode. So mean you have to find through step deviation method. The answer you get 137.04, and you find the mode using the formula. Okay, the answer you get 135.77. So now you find the median. So first you write the tabular column, the class interval 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. So this is the frequency column 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. So maximum cases the median class itself is a model class. So in sometimes, so you find the n by 2, then it is clear. So the value of n, so okay, first you find how to find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, so first you write 4 here, then 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 5, 9. So then 11 plus 9 you get 22. So 20 plus 22 you get 42. 14 plus 42 you get 56. 8 plus 56 you get 64. 4 plus 64 you get 48. So very simple. So 4, so 5 plus 4, 9. So 13 plus 9, 22. 20 plus 22, 42. 14 plus 42, 56. 8 plus 56, 64. 4 plus 64, 68. So this itself is the, if you add this one, you get 68. So summation I equal to 1 to n fi. So this is the n. N is equal to 68 now. So value of n is 68. Therefore n by 2 is 34. N by 2 is 34. So where you get the 34 number? So you have 22 here, 22 here. So 42 is here. Therefore 22 after 23 is here. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 34 is also here. So the number 22 to 42 is here. Therefore 34 is also here. So this column is the median class. So this class is the median class from 125 to 145. From 125 to 145. Since n by 2, 34 exists in 125 to 145. So it is the class interval 125 to 145 median class. Lower limit of the median class is 125. And class size 145 minus 125, you get 20. So that is the class size. So frequency of the median class. The frequency of the median class. So this is the frequency is a 20. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. We have to find the, so cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the preceding one. So you write 22. So the cumulative frequency preceding the median class is this one. So this is the median class. Preceding of this one is 22. So the cumulative frequency class preceding the median class is 22. So apply the formula median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So value of L you have 125 and n you have 68. So n by 2 is 34 minus 22 divided by 20 into 20. So 20 get cancelled. So this 2 cancels. So 125 plus 12 you get 137. So 137 units. So compare now. So you get the mean value is 137.04 and mode value is 135.77 and the median value you get 137 unit. So next question you see that. So if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. So the given median. So find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. So class intervals are like that: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 total. So frequency we have 5. So the frequency of 10 to 20 they given x, 20 to 30 you have 20, so 30 to 40 15, 40 to 50 they given y. So you have to find out x and y. So 50 to 65 total you have 60. Total you have 60. Okay. So this is the tabular column. So this is the tabular column. So since the total you have 60, total you have 60, the value of, so n by 2 you get 30, n by 2 is 30. So clearly it is comes in this class 20 to 30. You see that 25 is already here. Suppose x is 5 or 6, x is minimum 5 to 6, so it is 30 you get in the column 20 to 30. So total frequency 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So they given total, you have total frequency 45 plus x plus 5, so 60, 45 x plus y, that is you get 60 minus 45 you get 15. So equation 1, 15 equal to x plus y. So here x is equal to 60. Here n is equal to 60. Then n by 2 you have 30. So it is in the class interval 20 to 30. Lower limit of the median class is 20. Class size is 30 minus 20 you get 10. And the frequency of the median class is 20. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the preceding class. So 5 plus x you have cumulative frequency. So substitute. So you get median they given 28.5. So 20. Substitute 30 minus 5 plus x. divided by 20 into 10. So 20, so 30 minus 5 minus x, when you take minus inside, minus 5 minus x, so 30 minus 5 you get 25 minus x divided by 20, 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, so when you take 20 to this side you get 8.5, so transposition, so 25 minus x divided by 2, so when you take to this side 17 equal to 25 minus x, x is equal to 25 minus 17, therefore x is equal to 8. Substitute the value in equation 1, so you have the equation 1, 15 equal to x plus 5, so 15 equal to x plus y, substitute here, you get 15 equal to 8 plus y, so y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7. Okay, the next question, the life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median class. If policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Age below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, below 60. The number of policy holders, so below 20 you have 2, 25 6, 20, 30 24, 35 45, and 40, below 40 you have 78, age below 45 you have 89, age below 50 you have 92, age below 55 it is 98, and age below 60 you have 100. So class interval 15 to 20, 2, 20 to 25, 4, 25 to 30, so you substitute as it is. Okay, the cumulative frequency you have 2, so 2 plus 4 6, 18 plus 6 you have 24, 21 plus 24 45, 33 plus 45 78, 11 plus 78 you get 89, 3 plus 89 you get 92, 6 plus 92 98, 2 plus 98 you get 100. So already they given 100 policies, so n is equal to 100. So here n is equal to 100, therefore n by 2 equal to 50, n by 2 equal to 50. So it is in the class interval 35 to 40. So you see here 45 is here, then 45 to 78 is here, therefore 50 comes in the class interval 35 to 40. So therefore lower limit of the median class L is equal to 35. So this is the lower limit. So class size 40 minus 35 5. So frequency of the median class, so frequency of the median class F is equal to 33. So cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, it is 45. So substitute the value median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. You get 35 plus 50 minus 45 divided by 33 into 5. So 35 plus 5 divided by 33 into 5. So 35 as it is. So 5 into 5 you get 25 divided by 33. So when you divide 25 by 33 you get 0.76. The answer is 35.76. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. Find the median length of the leaves. Length in millimeters: 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, and 163 to 171 and 172 to 180. So number of leaves you have 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. So the data needs to convert it to continuous classes. See here 118 to 126, and here not you have 126, you have 127. So here you have a discontinuous, and here also you have a discontinuous 135. So here 135 is not there. So you have to continuous. So that data needs to convert it to continuous classes. So we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit. So we have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit, add 0.5 to the upper limit. So when you subtract 0.5 from this one, so you get 117.5, and when you add 0.5 to the upper limit, so you get 126.5. When you subtract 127 to 0.5, you get 126.5. So now it is continuous. You get 126 point is here, so 126 point is here. So 135.5, 135.5. So like this. So now it is continuous. There is no gap. So now it is continuous. So using subtract 0.5 from the lower limits and add 0.5 to upper limit. So this is very important when it is not continuous. So now you fill the class interval column and the frequency column. So find the cumulative. So 3 as it is, 3 plus 5 you get 8, 9 plus 8 17, 12 plus 17 29, 5 plus 29 you get 34, 4 plus 34 38, 2 plus 38 you get 40. So this is the cumulative frequency column. So here n is equal to 40, therefore n by 2 you get 20. So n by 2 it is 20, means n by 2 20. So 20 is clearly get it in the class interval 144.5 to 153.5. So it is in the class interval. So 144.5 to 153.5. So lower limit is 144.5, and class size you have 9. So class size you have 9. 153.5 minus 144.5 you get 9. So the median is equal to h. Median is equal to h plus n by 2 minus cf divided by f into h. So substitute the values 144.5. So substitute the value 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 divided by 12 into 9. So 144.5. So 20 minus 17 you get 3 divided by 12 into 9 144.5. so you get 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, so cancels. So you get 144.5 plus 9 by 4. So 144.5, 9 by 4 in decimal point you get 2.25. So you get 146.75 millimeters of the leaf. So the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So this is a homework. So lifetime they give 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500. So like that up to 4500 to 5000. So the number of lamps 14, 56, 60, 86, 74, 62 and 48. Homework. So answer you get 3406.98. So clearly it is get it in the 86. Okay. So median class you find out. So find the median lifetime of the lamp. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the student. So weight in kg 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. And the number of students 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3, 8. So homework answer you get 56.67. kg.